Hi cookie friends, welcome back to Lights Camera Cookies. Thank you so much for being here with us today. If you are new to this channel, my name is Larissa and this is my friend Hank. And we like to bring you some cookie decorating videos, many of which are Disney themed, as you can tell by my ears, so this video is
nobody has noticed the ears.
No different than any other. And today we want to talk about something very specific and a really cool cookie that we made. Like it's a big one, like it's a...
Yeah, it's huge.
It's a big gigundo.
It's as big as a train.
What kind of train, Hank? Like
a train robbery.
A runaway railway?
What? I thought this was a Western.
No, Hank.
Like the guys jumping on the train and the horses and give us all your money.
Guys, we're gonna make a Mickey's Runaway Railway cookie.
Wait. It is a dark ride, right?
It is a dark ride.
So why wouldn't it be a bunch of guys robbing people on a train? That's very dark. Especially if they throw someone off the back.
Not that kind of dark ride. So, today we're going to make a Disney's Runaway Railway cookie because this month of March 4th, marks the anniversary of Mickey's Runaway Railway. So, let's get right to decorating this super cool cookie. You know, this was a big job. This was a big cookie, an advanced decorating cookie. So, I'm just going to talk you through what I did. But this is definitely not a beginner cookie. And it was a lot of work, but a lot of fun. And I hope you enjoy, cookie friends. Okay, so I had baked a giant rectangle and I filled it as usual, and then I had my food coloring that I mixed with vodka or any type of extract, and if there's alcohol in it, it does evaporate off. So I did a road and I did the grass, and I really worked hard on trying to get this right. And you'll see at the very end here, I actually took a paper towel and I wiped away because I did color too much. So then I took my edible markers and I drew Minnie and Mickey, and then, you know, just started to outline them. My icing was definitely thicker because I didn't want any of that green or black paint, you know, food coloring paint that I put on to seep through the white or any of these other colors. So the key here is to take care and make sure that your icing is stiff enough and that you are leaving some time for things to dry, and that the tip of your icing bag is small enough. My tip on the icing bag was very, very small this entire time, but the icing was still thin enough to run out. You kind of have to get the right feel for it. So this was just a matter of piecing together every single aspect of this cookie, and I could go into really great detail, but it would take quite a while. This cookie took over 4 hours to make, so I'm just giving the abbreviated version here, but boy was this a rewarding cookie to make. So one of the keys to a cookie like this is not just, you know, outlining and drawing, but it's also adding dimension. So you'll see at some point, you know, I gave dimension to the road. It wasn't just a gray or black road. I gave some kind of dimension to the grass. I came back and I outlined Minnie and Mickey's face in black. I'm painting the car. You'll also see towards the end that I took some of my red food coloring paint and I painted the car just to give it that extra pop, and you'll see as we watch, the cookie definitely comes to life more and more. So then we had to make our bushes, and I used 3 different colors just to add some fun and some whimsy. And we're gonna finish Pluto up there. And say little touches like that, the shadow under the car just adds something extra to it. More of the colors on the grass. And then I think the most fun part was the little flowers that I put on the bushes. And you know, everything just took time. This is something that requires a lot of patience, and if you have fun doing it, then you're doing it right, if you're having fun. So that's pretty much it here. You know, towards the end, I put on the words Mickey's Runaway Railway. I had help of a projector for that because I'm not the best at writing letters. But there we go. I filled that in, and then again, that same level of detail, I faded the Runaway Railway part with my food coloring, and this cookie was a labor of love, but totally worth it. What did you think about that?
That cookie is so big!
Giant cookie! They are a lot of fun to make. They are very challenging. I was very intimidated.
Yeah, let's be honest.
At first to start to make, like the...
She cried a little bit.
Never cried.
How am I gonna paint these wheels?
So this is like the Encanto house cookie that I did. I stared at a blank palette.
Like stared.
For hours.
Hours!
Don't know what I thought was gonna happen. And I'd start to like move my icing bag closer and be like, no, I can't do it. No, I can't do it. But I did it. And this is the point. So no matter where you are in your cookie decorating life, career, whatever it is, or if you're just watching this for fun, go ahead and challenge yourself because it is pretty rewarding to see the outcome.
Not to watch it. It was a train wreck.
But
So, yeah, I still got it.
Speaking of trains, let's talk about Mickey's Runaway Railway.
Oh!
So I gotta say, when I found out, okay, so if you don't know, which many of you probably do, Mickey's Runaway Railway has replaced the Great Movie Ride in Disney Hollywood Studios.
I love that ride.
Me too. So I was one of those people who couldn't accept change and was like, what? This is wrong. Yes, I aged by 60 years. This is wrong and you shouldn't take away that movie ride. That is a classic, iconic ride.
Yeah, you sound like some of the animatronics on that ride.
Okay.
Outdated!
There you go. To Hank's point, yeah, a little outdated. Will it always be in my memory as a really, really fun ride, like when I was little? And what did you see? You got to see The Wizard of Oz, you got to see Alien, that was like
Indiana Jones.
The creepiest part. Indiana Jones singing
The
in
Wizard
the
of Oz.
rain. I said The Wizard of Oz.
The Wizard of Oz.
What else?
That witch was actually really authentic.
Yeah, they did
She's
a
like
great
one
job.
of the best animatronics they had for a while.
Yeah, and
Casablanca.
yes, the Casablanca scene.
There was the Wild West. There was the mob.
Oh yeah, there was the Wild West part. Oh,
The guy when they would get into a street fight, like the guy would hop on.
R.I.P. Great Movie Ride. You will
Yes.
never be forgotten.
Oh, that one was awesome.
So yeah, when I went to Disney in 2020, you know, I was like, sure, I'll go on the Mickey's Runaway Railway. Sure, you know, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Not the Great Movie Ride, whatever.
Yeah.
Well, it was awesome. It really was probably one of my new favorites now.
Was it?
So yeah, why do you ask? Don't you like it?
No. I mean, it is awesome. It's like a whole different feel.
It is. I feel like
You know,
there's...
Disney calls that like 2.5D or something because it's not like 3D.
How cool. So
But it felt 3D.
So you don't, yeah, it's exactly right. So you don't wear 3D glasses or anything, but it's 2.5D. So
Yeah, it
you
was
get,
weird.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
They do a lot of that face mapping.
Yeah.
You know, the characters like don't have faces now, but they like digitally project them.
Oh, like on the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, like Mickey and Minnie, they were so cute.
Do you guys like that? I'm curious because at first I thought...
Frozen too. Frozen
Yes.
also has that.
So part of me loves the old school animatronics, you know, like with their actual faces moving and the articulation of their face. But that 3D mapping is pretty cool and
Yeah,
makes it look really realistic.
It was very, very clear.
Yeah. So let's see about this ride. It's a trackless dark ride.
I said that.
My bad.
Let's get back on track. It's like the show. Trackless ride.
It includes more hidden Mickeys than any existing ride.
Which we're still trying to figure out how many.
Yeah.
If
and-
you know, please help us figure it out.
or where they are because the ride moves so fast and it's like sensory overload. So what happens
I don't
is,
think you can be looking all places at once.
no, so you get on your little train and if you sit in the front part of the train, you're like right behind Goofy because he's the one riding the train.
Yeah.
And it's a lot of fun. Then of course like
Leave it to
Goofy's-
Goofy to screw it all up.
Goofy's track diverts and it ruins Minnie and Mickey's picnic. So when we went in 2020 because of COVID, we weren't able to see the pre-show of that little...
Oh, the room blowing up.
Yeah, we weren't able to see that, but I do watch a lot of YouTube channels and I get the full effect there. And my favorite part, I'd like to know your favorite part, but my favorite part was when we went to Daisy's dance studio and your little cars all got in a line and you were all like
Yeah, so we all
cha-chaing.
moved around.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
And that song was just
Oh.
stuck in my head. Nothing can stop us now.
Oh.
Nothing can stop us now. Oh, and Minnie and Mickey, what a great couple. Right? What do
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah, iconic.
Yeah, classic. So I was wondering if Disneyland was ever going to get Mickey's Runaway Railway.
Oh yeah, it's in my notes. Read the notes.
Well, I have the. It was my lead-in for you. I have it.
Oh, well, you should write lead in. Oh, tell Hank to shut up. We'll lead in.
Oh, there we
go. Sorry, my mistake.
So yes, I was wondering if Disneyland was ever going to get one, and Hank, because he does take all the notes for this show, has let me know
I have a working hand.
that we're looking at 2023 Mickey's Runaway Railway coming to Disneyland in Toontown. So that's like,
yeah,
what a perfect place
fitting.
for that. That is absolutely fitting.
That's really cool. It's kind of weird to have a runaway train in Hollywood Studios. Running right through Pixar Land.
I know, guys, I'm so...
Into Galaxy's Edge. Just kind of weird. Keep that train away from Gertie.
But, whatever. It's still a hot ride for me. It's still a awesome ride for me. I don't know why I said hot.
A hot ride?
I was thinking of
Yeah, Mickey, you got a hot ride there. What the fuzz are you thinking?
It's still a great ride for me, so I'm very excited to go back on that one day. What you doing?
Slowly creeping away from this episode. Running away.
Oh, anyway.
Oh, my feet.
Come on.
I'm stuck.
Hang on.
Ah!
There you go. Really quick, one last point about this ride.
Again, off track.
The animation on them. At first, those like Mickey shorts, I'm like, they all look kind of weird and Goofy looks a little...
I love those Mickey shorts.
But yeah, the Mickey shorts.
Remember the one where he lost his ears? What?
Oh my god, you sound like him.
What?
Hank.
They used it as hockey pucks.
You sound like him.
That was so awesome.
Wow. Oh, did you see the Mickey short about, they're on Disney Plus, all these Mickey shorts, but did you see the one about Goofy who never got to go to like this, you know, theme park?
Oh, Potato Land.
Potato Land.
I'm a fan.
Disneyland. And Mickey and Donald tried to like throw a theme park together for him. That is my favorite one. And if you haven't seen that, definitely go check it out because
definitely
that is
not
so
my favorite. Oh. Not my favorite.
No?
No.
The ears are your favorite.
The one where Mickey and Donald try and get food and they both are missing clothing.
Oh, that's right.
Like Donald wears no pants. Mickey then is in pants but not a shirt. It's so weird. They pointed out a lot of weird things that we didn't notice.
Yeah, I know. But all in all,
I guess ducks don't have to wear pants.
I guess not.
They're so lucky.
I wonder why. Why does Donald...
Don't look down! Pan up! Pan up!
Guys, that is gonna be it.
That's it!
That's gonna be it for our episode today. Thank you so much for being here with us. Do share your thoughts on Mickey's Runaway.
Runaway! Quick!
On Mickey's Runaway Railway.
I know I feel drafty!
Let me know if you do miss the great movie ride, just even a little bit.
Yeah!
And be sure to like, subscribe, and
hit the bell! Ding! Okay!
For notifications.
Hurry up! I can't even run towards the camera for this one.
Also, we're gonna have a separate video, just like a relaxing tutorial, a relaxing, I'm
humiliated! 81 people have seen me without pants!
But by this time, we should have the cookie decorated, you know, up on YouTube as a separate video for you, so you can just watch with some nice music in the background and watch how that was made relaxing without any voiceover. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
I am needing to go!
With us today, and we'll see you next time.
Next time! Are they gone?
No, they're still on.
No!
They're still here with us. Hank, you're fine. Having a good time?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Rocking out to something?
No.
Oh.
I got fuzz between my ears. Makes it hard to listen to music.
Wait, we are recording, right?
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, wouldn't that be something? Okay. You good, Hank?
Yeah.
You got your makeup touched up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, we're good?
I get my daily fluff. Yeah, just shut up over there. Are we on? Cue the cookie!
That's how you get ready?
Psyching myself up.
Oh, okay.
Cookies. Bake them cookies. All right, let's put on our stuff.